In this video, I'm going to be telling you, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 important YouTube settings. Yes, 7 important YouTube settings that you need to turn on for YouTube to recommend your videos. Yes, to get all the views, to get all the subscribers, to get all the watch hours. These are important settings that new YouTubers don't know. Yes, like upcoming YouTubers that just started YouTube, they don't know anything about these settings. They just jumped on YouTube, they didn't do any masterclass, they didn't do any tutoring and all that. They just came up on YouTube. Okay, they just want to own a YouTube channel, so they just started a YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing you all those important steps. Like, I'm going to be doing a practical and I'm going to be saying it theory. I'm going to be telling you the theory part of this aspect, and I'm going to be showing a practical tutorial about this. Yes, okay, we're going to be making use of our YouTube Studio app in the Chrome browser. We're going to be using our vidIQ. We're going to be using our main YouTube app. Yes, our main YouTube app. And I'm going to be showing you all these things. I'm going to be showing you how it's done, how to set your description, how to get your link to your social media, how to write your description, how to do your complete optimization, your search engine optimization. That is your SEO on your video. Without your SEO on your video, mind you, my friend, mind you, my viewer, your videos are not going to get any view. So in this channel, you see that I'm just talking about how to grow organically. But if you want to grow overnight, like you just want it to happen very fast, I've done so many videos on how you can grow very fast. Like this video I did here, that get 1,000 subscribers quickly, no uploading required. That video is going to get you all the subscribers that you need. Yes, there are advantages and disadvantages to these things. Yes, because I've been on YouTube for like 1 year plus, and I know all the advantage and I know all the disadvantage. Like, I've been growing this channel organically, and you can see that my views are just coming in steadily. Everything is going on because I'm making use of these things these YouTube settings that I'm about to show you. I implemented it in all of my videos, and you see that the videos are going viral. Okay, another thing that can affect your video again, I noticed, is location. Location is something that big YouTubers are not telling us. Big YouTubers are not telling us about location. Yes, there are some locations that you'll be in some kind of location. When you make your video, when you post your video is going to get a lot of views. Location also matters when posting your video. Another thing that matters when posting your video is time. Yes, one is the right time your audience is online for you to post your video and get all the views. You should know the right time that your audience are online for you to get all the views and subscribers, watch hours. Because when you're not getting views, you're not going to get the subscribers. Views bring in subscribers. So when you are getting subscribers, when you are getting views, you're going to be getting subscribers, you're going to be getting watch hours, and when you get watch hours, you're going to get monetized. Yes, you're going to get monetized, and these things happens very quickly if you're very, very consistent with your channel. Okay, another thing is being consistent. Are you consistent with your channel? Are you consistent making your videos? Are you that type of person that feels that, okay, you're in a very bad position, you're in a very bad, like, you don't have all this cozy restaurants, you don't have a good setting place you can make your video? No, that is something that is limiting small YouTubers. Don't feel like you cannot make your video wherever you are. Look at where I'm making this video now. Like, I traveled home for the Christmas, and you see that nothing is limiting me. I'm making my video wherever I feel that I can come and share with you guys. So you're going to turn on these 7 important YouTube settings that is going to get you all the views and subscribers that you need. Yes, every YouTuber wants views, and every YouTuber wants subscribers, watch hours, because that is going to earn you money. That is what's going to get you monetized on this space, and you're going to be earning. So when you bring value to YouTube will pay you for your value. When you don't bring value, you will not be paid for your value. So you don't have to give up along the way. Don't give up along the way. Yes, don't give up along the way. When you give up along the way, you're not going to get to the point that you want to be. Yes. So guys, I'm telling you not to give up along the way. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you all the YouTube settings that you need to turn on. Very, very important settings that you need to turn on for you to get subscribers, watch hours, and views. Okay guys, let's dive into the tutorial.
So these are the most 7 important settings you have to turn on so your videos can be recommended to a lot of persons. I know that this process, you might have come across this kind of video, but this is a very detailed video for you to do. So we're going to be using our vidIQ. We're going to generate our description. vidIQ is the best because it helps you generate your description. It helps you with a lot of things, so you don't have to bother cracking your head on how to write a description. So it's going to read you with your video, and then it's going to generate a perfect description for you. So all you have to do is just tap on apply, and the thing will be applied, the description will be applied to your video. So after that, we're going to add tags. So they're going to give you tags relating to that particular video that you want to post, so you don't have to bother yourself. But if you want to add tags, you can check for the option of find tags, search for the particular tags you want to add, and then you are going to add them. So you're going to add tags relating to your video. If your video is about YouTube growth, your video is about makeup, your video about how to make money, you can just click on find tags, and it's going to bring out several tags for you to work with. So you're going to add tags. Some people also in your niche, your fellow competitors in your niche that are doing so well, you can add their names into your tag, so that when people are searching for them, they can easily find you. So this is the perfect means of you having your videos recommended to a lot of persons. I've been doing this, and you can see that my videos are growing, and my subscribers, as at when I'm recording this voice over, my subscriber is at 100, and now you're going to see that it is growing because I'm using these tips and it's working for me. So since it's working for me, I came here to share with you guys so you can implement it in your video and it can work for you as well. So it is a very simple process for you when you use vidIQ, but you can do this manually in your YouTube app if you don't want to use vidIQ. So after that, we're going to go over to our YouTube to add a hashtag. Hashtag plays a very big role in this process. So when people are searching for a particular kind of this thing, they can find your video. So you can see that this is my videos, and when I'm recording this voiceover, it's over 102 views. So you can come over here, add your hashtags, add every hashtag that is relating to the video that you're talking about. So the video is based on YouTube recommendations. So I just added YouTube recommended, suggested videos, just anything that concerns the video. That's what you're going to add in your hashtag. So after doing this, you can add as many hashtags as you want. If you don't want to add much hashtag, you can just add just 3, because that's the 3 that's going to pop up at the starting of your video. So you can just add 3, you can add more, but this is the just add hashtag, so that when people search for your video, search for that particular kind of video, they can find your video. So you can add as many as you want. After doing this, I'm going to go back, click save, and it's saved. So after that, we're going to go over to our Chrome browser. That's our YouTube studio in our Chrome browser. So you see what I'm saying, the hashtag has appeared here. This is how it works. We're going to make use of our Chrome browser, the YouTube studio in the Chrome browser. So after that, I'm going to log in, continue to studio. I'm going to select the video that I want. I've been doing this, and my videos have been recommended to so many people. So when I click on the video, I'm going to click on show more. Then I'm going to see all of the options that is going to come out. You're going to see under category. Then I'm going to choose the category that the video is all about, how to style. Since I don't want it to be in people and blogs, this is how to trick the algorithm in 2025. So when I click on that, I'm going to go over to work on the end screen. So I'm going to click on the end screen. Once I click on the end screen, I'm going to choose the particular video that I want someone to watch after watching this particular one. So there are several videos that I've made, so I'm going to choose the one that is relating to the video, and I'm going to include it, so that if you finish watching, the next video of mine will be recommended to you. That is how to trick the algorithm to recommend more of your videos to your viewers. So after doing that, I'm going to click the particular video that I want. So you can click any random video that you have there. So YouTube will recommend more of your videos to your viewers. After watching this particular one, another video will be recommended to your viewers. I'm going to click on the cards as well. So I'm going to be using the playlist for my cards. So when I click on the playlist, so if you already have a playlist, you just click on that playlist and it will be updated. So this is how to trick the algorithm in 2025.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If it was very helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Make sure that you optimize your video using these settings that I just showed you. Make sure that you do this, so that you get all the subscribers, you get all the views, and we're going to grow, because it's my dream and it's my passion that I want my fellow subscribers, my YouTubers, my new YouTubers to grow. So that's why I have this channel, to help you guys, because I never had a channel like this. I never came across a channel like this that was giving me all the tips and tutorial that I need to grow on this space. I just grew on my own. So I came here to help you guys, that are new YouTubers, to also grow manually and organically, so you get everything right, so you do not make a mistake along the way. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, subscribe, share with your family and friends. I'll see you on another one. Bye.